Hey guys, so like today I'm gonna like show you like secret tips and tricks for any Cadillac vehicle. So over here, and if you do want to like control the outside mirrors, you can press this unlock button and then keep on holding it, and then it will close both mirrors. And then if you want to open them, you will press unlock button and then keep on holding it, which will open the mirrors. And if you want like close all the windows down, and then you will press this button and then keep on holding it, press it once and then keep on holding it, and then it will automatically lower all 4 windows. But if you use that feature to like lower all the windows, you will have to like go into like manually like pick up all the windows. And then this does have the remote start. You will press this unlock button once and you will press and hold this. See, so it has started, and then if you just want to close it, you will just press this. That's it. We'll just press it once and then it will turn off.